In automation systems these days, most of the processes bring in information from sensors and they send it out through actuators. There's very little human involvement needed, but we still see plenty of operator pedestals and panels where there's push buttons, things like this, to be able to allow the users to set parameters, start and stop operations. But there's one type of device that's a little bit trickier as to how it works, and this device is a potentiometer. When we see these devices sticking out of a panel, they might look a lot like a push button or a simple selector switch, but if we operate them, we find that they turn smoothly from one position to another, almost a full circle. Well, what's happening inside is there's a ring of resistance, and as we move the potentiometer, the resistance increases. That resistance increase creates a voltage drop between two terminals, a reference point and ground, and that voltage can be read by an analog input on a PLC. Well, that's a little different than the digital inputs that we use for push buttons and selector switches, but these analog inputs are great for setting, most typically, the speed of a simple running motor when we don't need a complex control system to run it. Sometimes we even find these right on the front of a variable frequency drive for local potentiometer control. So we don't run across them a whole lot, but they're a very useful device when what we need is precise control over the speed of a system.